In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a Shopify plan that's just right for your business needs. Whether you're just starting or expanding your online store, understanding the different options available to you is crucial. So let's dive in and explore these steps together. To get started, head over to the Shopify admin dashboard. From there, you're going to want to navigate to the My Store section on the homepage. Once you've clicked through, you'll arrive at the central hub of your Shopify administration, where you can manage various aspects of your online business. This is your command center for everything on Shopify. Next, direct your attention to the settings area located in your admin panel. Click on Settings, and from the drop-down menu, look for the Plan tab. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can view your current subscription details and explore options to switch or upgrade your plan. Understanding this is essential because it impacts the tools and resources at your disposal. In the Plan section, you'll find an option that says Change Plan. Clicking on this will allow you to view all the available plans that Shopify offers. Here, Shopify provides 4 major plans that you can select depending on the size and needs of your business: Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus. Let's take a closer look at these options, as making the right choice will set you up for success. To start, you might want to consider the Basic plan if you're just getting your store up and running. It's a budget-friendly option that offers the essentials to begin selling online. However, as your business grows, you may soon find yourself needing more advanced features. That's when you could consider the Grow plan. This plan gives you more tools to help develop and scale your store, such as professional reports and better shipping discounts. If your business is expanding rapidly and you require powerful tools, the Advanced plan might be suitable. It offers advanced report builders and third-party calculated shipping rates, which are incredibly useful for larger volumes of sales. Finally, there's the Plus plan, designed for high-volume merchants who need enterprise-level features. It offers additional support and customization options, perfect for large businesses with more complex needs. If you're unsure about which plan best suits your business, keep in mind that Shopify also provides a Compare Plans option. By clicking on this, you can see a side-by-side comparison of all available plans, making it easier to weigh the pros and cons of each. Comparing the offerings in detail will help you make a well-informed decision. Choosing the right Shopify plan can significantly impact your business's growth and efficiency. So, take your time to analyze each option carefully. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to selecting a plan that matches your business aspirations. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the best choice for your Shopify journey.